Hello, everybody. My name is James Collingsworth. I am the Production and Technologies Director at Dayspring Baptist Church, and I'm super excited today to talk to you about a new program that we are going to be implementing in the preschool area. It is a program called Playlister, and you may have already seen that we are starting to use it in some of the areas. Playlister is going to be a great addition for our team. It's going to reduce the workload on Julie, allow her to focus more on you, and focus more on the children. So we are super excited to be implementing this. We're going to talk through Playlister in a series of videos. You're going to be able to access all of those videos through our portal here. You'll be able to see everything that we're talking through. There will be specific videos for you as teachers in the areas, and videos for those of you who may be uploading and rearranging content for week-to-week playback. We are super excited, and I am thrilled to be going on this journey with you. Thank you.